Welcome aboard, I'm Captain Wayne Canning. As a marine surveyor, one of my pet peeves and one problem I see on a lot of boats is a bunch of wires connected directly to the battery. And the problem with this is these wires don't usually have fuses attached to them. The American Boat and Yacht Council recommends that you have a fuse within 7 inches of the power source being the battery. This is not so much to protect the piece of equipment on the other end of the wire, it's to protect the wire or conductor itself. But few people install the proper fuses when connecting to the battery. And also, a bunch of wires just connected to the positive terminal is kind of sloppy. I recently came across a new product by Blue Seas. Now, I don't normally tout any particular product, but I think this one's really good and worth mentioning and should be considered by anybody with a boat who has wires connected directly to their battery. This is a neat little gizmo that's designed to connect directly to your battery post. It has a hole here that'll attach to the stud, and as you can see, it holds 4 fuses. It also has connections for 4 wires and comes with a cover. This is a really great way to clean up any installation where you have a bunch of wires connected directly to your battery positive post. This will definitely make things a lot better. Now, you can get these that also come with a little ground bus bar, and when I got this one I didn't happen to get that one, so that you can really keep things clean and you don't have to pile a bunch of wires on your negative post as well. But this is a great start. Retail price, I believe, for this by itself is around 20 bucks. You get the one with the ground bus bar, it's going to be $30, $35. It even comes with all of the connectors you need, and it uses the spade type automotive fuses. So let's take a look at how I installed this on my boat. I have a couple of bilge pumps and alarms that I have connected directly to my engine start batteries. These are backups in case the main house battery should fail for one reason or another. So I don't really have a sub panel on the engine start battery, but I wanted a couple of things connected to it. Okay, we're down in the hole and I'm ready to start hooking this thing up, and I'll show you just how easy it is to hook this up and get everything all connected. You can see I've already disconnected these 2 fuse holders, and I had another one on this side that I removed. So all we have to do is now bolt this down into position and connect the wires to it. Piece of cake. We'll move these wires, and I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put this underneath these connections. And I might bring that one around to keep that out of the way. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You just bolt that sucker down. And there you go. I'm going to pull that fuse for now. And we will start connecting our wires. Bring that underneath that heavier wire there. And the unit comes with all the ring terminals and everything needed. And we want to keep our wiring as neat as possible. Always, whenever doing wiring, you want to keep things as neat as possible. Bust that on there, okay. Tight. All right. goes on here to clean this up. And lastly, we will put the cover on, and you can see I've got some little labels, so I'll fill out those labels and put them on for what that does. And we will have a nice, neat, clean installation. Much better. Ta-da! Perfect. And look at how neat and clean that is and how much better that is. Monitor. There you have it. All done. Okay, so there you have it. And you can see how much nicer that looks, how much cleaner that installation is, how much neater it is versus just a bunch of wires crammed onto your positive battery post. Till next time, I'm Captain Wayne, wishing you fair winds and following seas. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. Please consider helping me out by contributing either through my Patreon account, where you can pledge a little bit for every video I release, or a single donation to my PayPal account. Every little bit helps and will allow me to continue producing high quality videos that will help you maintain and repair your boat. Thanks again.